Hey everyone, before we dive into tonight's mystery, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss these mind-blowing science and everyday mysteries we uncover every week. So, why is it that sometimes you just can't fall asleep, no matter how hard you try? Maybe all the sleep servers are full tonight. But jokes aside, there's actually a fascinating combination of biology, environment, and even cosmic rhythm that determines whether you drift off peacefully or toss and turn. Let's start with your body's internal clock, called a circadian rhythm. It's like your personal timekeeper, regulating hormones, body temperature, and alertness throughout the day. Normally, as the sun sets and darkness falls, your brain releases melatonin, signaling that it's time to sleep. But if you've been staring at bright screens, drinking coffee late, or stressing about life, your melatonin production can be delayed, leaving you wide awake. Stress and anxiety are huge culprits. When your amygdala, the part of your brain that processes fear, kicks into high gear, it can override your sleep signals. Your heart beats faster, thoughts race, and suddenly your cozy bed feels like a trap. Ironically, the more you try to force sleep, the more elusive it becomes. Even your environment plays a massive role. Temperature, noise, and light all send signals to your brain. Too hot or too cold, too noisy or too bright, and your brain interprets it as a reason to stay alert. That's why some people actually sleep better in hotels or new places, because their usual cues are gone. Here's something wild. Even the rotation of the Earth and the orbit of our planet around the sun indirectly affect your sleep. The cycles of daylight and darkness evolve with human biology over millennia, shaping our circadian rhythms. So when your brain struggles to sleep, it's partly trying to sync with billions of years of planetary motion, kind of like your personal sleep orbit. And then there's your own brain activity. During those sleepless nights, your prefrontal cortex and limbic system might be replaying every conversation, worry, or random idea of the day. It's like your brain decided it's a perfect time for a creative or anxious marathon. Some scientists even say that micro-awakenings during the night are a survival mechanism from ancient times, keeping humans alert for predators. Thankfully, modern bedrooms are mostly predator-free. Fun fact, some animals have found clever workarounds. Dolphins, for example, can sleep with one half of their brain at a time. Birds sometimes sleep mid-flight. So maybe your brain is just rehearsing unihemispheric sleeping tonight. So what can we do when the sleep servers are full? Darken your room, reduce screen exposure before bed, stick to a consistent sleep schedule, and try calming routines like deep breathing or visualization. Little changes can signal your brain it's time to orbit into sleep. If you laughed at the idea of full sleep servers or nodded knowingly at the science behind it, drop a comment below. Tell me about your weirdest sleepless nights. Did you count sheep or invent new ones? I read every comment and love hearing your stories. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more fascinating brain and science mysteries. Remember, your sleep tonight might seem impossible, but it's all part of a bigger cosmic rhythm that connects you to the Earth, the planets, and even the stars themselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.